Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the ultimate productivity face-off between Asana and Basecamp. So let's begin. Asana is a web and mobile application designed to help teams organize, track, and manage their work. It is a popular project management tool used by businesses, nonprofits, and teams of all sizes to improve collaboration, streamline workflows, and ensure projects are completed efficiently. Now, if you're curious about the pricing, just click this button and you will notice that the personal plan is $0 and free forever, and you will have all these perks and benefits. The starter plan comes at $6.92, and of course, you get everything from personal plus all these. The advanced is at 15.74, and if you hover to the businesses and enterprises, you would notice that the enterprise and the enterprise plus is something of a big commitment that requires contacting the sales department. Now, if you wanted to test waters and create your first account here, you might want to click the Get Started button. You would be forwarded wherein you can simply continue with your Google account, or you can use your business or professional email. And from here, click the Get Started button, so you will be forwarded to the main dashboard of Asana once you receive the welcome email from the team. Wait for it to load, and you would notice that once you are inside the Asana, one of the key features is the project and task management, wherein you can simply create a new project from scratch, or you can use a template. If you do that, you would be forwarded to these options. You can use from work requests, cross-functional project plan, event planning, meeting agenda. For example, we're going to be using this template. Click this button, you would be forwarded here. All right. Click this. So let's just use this template instead. Create project, and you would forward it to the main dashboard wherein you have a separate section wherein you have the option to views and the workflows. You can choose the list view wherein you can organize tasks in a straightforward list format. The board view, you can visualize work in a Kanban style board for tracking progress. The timeline view is a Gantt chart-like view to map project timelines and dependencies. Wait for it to load. All right. And the calendar is the view wherein you can view tasks and deadlines in a calendar layout. You have the option for the collaboration tool. You can add your team members, your clients, so that they can comment on tasks. Right here, if you click on the My Task, you can add a task. You can assign tasks to your team members. Set the priority. You can put the details right here. All right. You can put in the due dates, description, and of course you can put in files and certain object, and there's a lot that you can do. All right. You can even make it public if you wanted. Now, if you hover down here on the Asana AI tab, that is one of the new features wherein you can ask AI anything, and that could streamline your work and make it easier on the some of the repetitive tasks here in Asana. If you go to the upper right corner, you have an option for the admin console. You would be forwarded to this page. You have the insights, members, and of course the resources. All right, so you have all these options for you. Now, on the upper left corner, you see the create section. You can create task, you can create project, you can create message, portfolio, and goals. So there's a lot that you can do here in Asana. Now, if you go over to our next contender, which is Basecamp, it is a project management and team collaboration tool designed to help teams stay organized, communicate efficiently, and manage their work effectively. All right. So if you go to the pricing plus sign up, you would notice that the Basecamp is ideal for freelancers, startups, and small teams. And you have all of these perks and benefits. It's going to be $15 per user per month. All right. And they only bill you for your employees. You can also invite guests for free. Now, the Basecamp Pro Unlimited is something that comes at $299 per month. It's billed annually, and if you wanted to test waters, you might want to click the try it for free button. You would be forwarded to this section wherein you just have to follow some simple instructions, and then You should be able to receive a welcome email from Basecamp stating that you're ready to go with your account, and just click this button. And from here, one of the key features of Basecamp is the project organization. All right. You can start with a new project right here. You can have the project organization into the message board where you can post announcement. For example, I'm going to be putting this new message. Type it in, save as post this message right here. All right. So let's go back again to the my project. We have the to-dos, docs and files, chat, and schedule. All right, you have all of these. The task management of to-dos are basically something like assigning tasks to a team member. For example, this, create a new list, add this list, and of course, you can assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and add notes for context. All right, click that and go again to the My Project. If you go to the message board, which we did earlier, it's a central place for team discussions, organizing threads to reduce reliance on email and keep conversations in one place. Now, the schedule is something that you might want to check because it can integrate well into calendars to track project deadlines, events, and milestones. If you want to add an event right here, for example, this, click post this event, and you have created an event that syncs schedules and other calendar tools for better visibility. Now, the docs and files is something that you can upload and store documents, images, and other files within projects. You can organize files for easy access and reference. All right. Go again to your My Project. And the last is going to be the group chat, wherein it's a real-time group chat feature. You can say hi for quick team communication, which is useful for brainstorming, quick updates, or informal conversations. So let me tell you that we have been using Basecamp and Asana a lot. On the top corner, you have the lineup, pings, hey, all right, welcome to Basecamp, activity, my stuff, where you can track your activities here, my assignments, schedule, drafts, and recent activity. All right. Now, since we're using both platforms, Asana and Basecamp, let me tell you that you might want to choose Basecamp if you prefer simplicity. It's very simple to use. All right. And your team needs a collaborative workspace with built-in communication tools. All right. And of course, you're budget conscious and don't want per user kind of pricing. All right. Because Basecamp is best for simple team collaboration and communication for small to mid-sized teams. Now, you choose Asana if you're looking for a detailed and requiring advanced task tracking or dependencies. You want usual project tracking tools like Gantt charts or Kanban boards, and you're opting for scalability and reporting are critical for your team. But again, choosing between Asana and Basecamp depends on your workflows, the complexity of your project, and the features you need, plus, of course, your budget. All right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.